And a warm welcome to you all. We still have some storms left to go here in Meridian with overnight rumbles, the severe weather potential, some lingering showers into tomorrow as well as some storms. But we will start to see some significant improvements by the afternoon. And then for the weekend, we've got sunshine. We also anticipate warming temperatures after tracking in some slightly cooler than average weather. We're going to start to build back up in terms of heat, and we do have a stretch of hot weather actually into next week. So preparing for that, at least mentally, I guess. But let's talk about these overnight storms because that's the primary concern. We've been in the line of fire today for severe weather, and still we're not in the clear yet. A few of these storms may be strong, so we're monitoring the potential for some stronger storms overnight and showers into the early morning tomorrow. We do have this cold front advancing in, and this is what's triggering the rounds of storms as the drier, cooler air clashes into this very warm and tropical air that's been feeding in from the Gulf. And this is going to result in not just the potential for numerous storms, but also severe weather and heavy downpours. That's another factor. In terms of severe for our Thursday, the majority of severe activity is likely going to be farther to the east. For our Alabama communities, we're under a marginal threat for severe weather. So monitoring that potential for Livingston into, say, Demopolis and Butler. Overnight, we've got these groups of storms tracking through, so we'll kind of see these repeated rounds of thunderstorms. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, note how a lot of the activity will still be move out to the east, and we'll start to see some significant improvements here in our weather pattern as we let up the rain threats and we start to see that drier air dominating. And this will also clear out our skies significantly. As we look at our precipitation forecast, over an inch of rain cannot be ruled out. We are expecting again some doses of heavy precipitation overnight on top of what we've had already. 66 for our overnight forecast with numerous thunderstorms anticipated. We do have fairly seasonable temperatures in general with our overnight lows at least. For tomorrow, 82. Our average high for this time of the year is 88, so we're going to be a bit cooler than the norm. Scattered showers and rumbles for the first part of the day primarily. Here's a look at our hourly forecast. We may have a lingering shower or two as we head into the midday and early afternoon, but we should start to see some big improvements once that final line moves through. So as we look at our rain situation for tomorrow, still some lingering storms, and if you're farther east, monitoring the potential again for some stronger rumbles, especially for the first part of the day, but big improvements ahead. Bit of a breeze too, 15 to 20 mile per hour winds cannot be ruled out for most. Here's our extended forecast. Looking ahead into our Memorial Day weekend, we're warming up gradually back into the 90s by Monday on the holiday, kicking off a stretch of 90s into next week.